we need to factorize this thing using factor theorem. So factor theorem is like this. If say a polynomial maybe cube bx square plus cx plus d, and if let's say x minus alpha divides this one, then p alpha will be 0. So the remainder theorem is like if it doesn't divide, p alpha will give the remainder. It will be a non-zero constant, and that will be the remainder. But when the p alpha is 0, that means this one is a factor, and that's called factor theorem. So we will factorize this one using factor theorem. So what we will do, we will use trial and error method. So let's do first f1. Let's see if x minus 1 is a factor. So f1 will be 1 cube plus 3 1 square minus 4 minus 12. So we can see this is not going to be 0. So there. Then we can try x plus 1. So if that one is a factor, so this has become minus 1 cube plus 3 minus 1 square minus 4 into minus 1 and then minus 12. So this is becoming minus 1. This will be plus 3. This will be plus 4 and minus 12. So this is also not 0, so it's not a factor. Then we can see if x minus 2 is a factor. So f2 we can check, and that is x cube. So 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square minus 4 into 2 minus 12. So that one, and it becomes 8 here, and 3 square is 4 and 12 plus 12 minus 8 minus 12. So we can see that it is 0. That means x minus 2 is a factor. So we have that thing. Then we can check whether x, so this is a factor, whether x plus 2 is a factor. So we will check f minus 2, and we will see sometimes for polynomial instead of fx it's written px. So I am just using so then it would be p over p of 2, whatever. So I'm just using f. So this one is minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square and minus 4 into minus 2 and minus 12. So this is minus 8. This is plus 12. This is plus 8, and this is minus 12. So this is also becoming 0. So x plus 2 is also a factor. So we already have two factors, x minus 2, x plus 2. We will look for the third one. It will have, since the power is 3, so it will have 3 factors. The order of the polynomial is 3, the highest power. That means, so x minus 3 we can try. So we will see if this one is 0. So that's 3 cube there, plus 3 square plus 3 square minus 4 into 3 minus 12. So that's 27 there, and this one is plus 9 times 3, so plus 27 minus 12 minus 12. So this is not 0, so we can ignore that. Then we can see if we can check whether x plus 3 is a factor. So that will be minus 3 there. So minus 3 cube plus 3 into minus 3 square minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12, minus 12. So this one is minus 27, and this is plus 27, because this is becoming plus 9 times 3 is plus 27. Then this is plus 12, and this is minus 12, because minus 3 into minus 4 is plus 12. So this is also again 0. So we can see that x plus 3 is the other factor. So this way we have factorized x minus 2, x plus 2, and then finally x plus 3. So these are the factors. Now this is not a very efficient and quick method while doing manually, but using a computer program, this will be very fast, and it will be very efficient, and it can handle any kind of polynomial this way. So factor theorem is very useful if you use a computer program, and I am just doing the theory here. So yeah.